And AASHTO Type 4 beam, this beam's load have, this is for example beams, this load have 822 pound per running feet. Okay, 822 pounds per feet. This, if I cut this, if I zoom it, if I cut this 1 feet girder, this 1 feet girder, it will weight of 822 pounds. Okay. And the in diaphragm you can see here, in diaphragm, this is in diaphragm, this is a diaphragm, and this is also the interior, this is also a diaphragm. This in diaphragm load have 4 kip. Each in diaphragm have load of 4 kip, like this and this diaphragm have 4 kip weight. Okay. Neoprene pads have 0.2 kip each. Each neoprene pad, this is neoprene pads, this, the black color have, this is neoprene pad. This neoprene pad have 0.2 kip each. Each neoprene pad have 0.2 kip. And the pedestal dimension gives dimension, and we have to calculate load from this dimension. If we have concrete unit weight. Okay, we will calculate this. And future bearing surface, this is future bearing surface. If you see here, this is future bearing surface. This is a surface which will wear out in the future, and we again gives this future bearing surface, and its weight is 15 pound per square feet. And utilities on bridge, these pipelines, here is a pipeline in this bridge, this have a weight of 10 pounds per feet. Okay, this is a typical section of the bridge, of the required bridge, and we will compute load on this bridge. This is girders, and this is deck, and this is barrier. Okay, and this is its dimensions. This is 5 girder, 1 2 3 4 5 girder at the space of 9 feet and 0 inch. From here, at center to center, from here to here is 36 feet, and the overall width is 43 feet and 1 inch, or 43.08 feet. Okay, and this is slope of 2% by the beam haunch. Okay, and this is barrier 1 feet and 6.5 inch. 1 feet and 6.5 inch is this barrier width. Okay, this is an elevation of the bridge, and this is a pier, this is girder, this is deck. Okay, and this is barrier. So here is the barrier also. This is barrier, deck at once, and this is girder. If I watch this bridge, if I see this bridge from this side, if I see bridge from this side, okay, if I see bridge from this side, I will see this section. Okay, this elevation, this will be my pier, and this will be pads, neoprene pads and pedestals. This is embankment, and this will be girder,